Korean barbecue pizza. Ingredient: How to make it. Step 1. Preheat oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2. Combine 1 tablespoon vinegar and 1 tablespoon brown sugar in a bowl. Add carrot and daikon, toss to coat. Let stand 10 minutes, stir in cilantro. Step 3. Combine 1/4 cup water and cornstarch in a bowl. Heat oil in a small skillet over medium. Add garlic and ginger, sauté 2 minutes. Stir in remaining 2 tablespoons vinegar, remaining 1 tablespoon brown sugar, soy sauce, and sambal elek, bring to a boil. Reduce heat, stir in cornstarch mixture, and simmer until slightly thickened, 2 to 3 minutes. Remove pan from heat, stir in chicken. Step 4. Place prepared crust on a baking sheet. Spread chicken mixture over crust, leaving a 1-inch border. Top with mozzarella. Bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Top evenly with carrot mixture.